that.
This, I'm not even sure if I can eat 50 of these.
I'm so ready. I'm so ready. Okay. Brown goodness. Let me know when you're good
I'm ready.
to go. Okay.
I'm good to go.
You got your timer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I guess let's go. 3,
You want to count us in? Okay, yeah.
2, 1, go.
All right. Number 1, going into curry. That curry's good.
Barbecue is so good.
That's 2. I'm not sure if I'm going to be like speed eating these.
Number 5.
What the hell? Let's catch up. 3.
Number 7.
You're too quick.
I don't really like the curry sauce.
You don't? Oh, I like it.
Oh, no. It's gone. My stopwatch stopped.
Oh, no.
No!
Well, I'm at 140, 54, 55. We can pause if you want.
No pausing.
Okay. I've lost count already.
910.
We're eating chicken nuggets. We got 50 chicken nuggets. We're gonna try and eat them all.
Okay, I've done 10.
I'm nowhere near 10. I feel like they're harder than fish fingers. But they are smaller. It's the music.
Are you just doing it in silence?
Hang on. And I think they're drier than fish fingers. I think they're about the same.
They're good.
No, they're quite juicy. I might open my window, get some air. Okay.
Boot.
Ooh, it looks like a turkey dinosaur. They're pretty good though.
They are good.
Better than I remember. The real challenge with that cheeseburger at the end.
Well, I think so. There's a poll in my chat and it was saying who's gonna win. What is winning?
I mean, I get if you eat all 50, that's a victory, right? But obviously, if we both eat all 50, which is unlikely, then whoever's quickest. Or if neither of us get to 50, it's whoever's eating the most, I guess.
Okay.
But I feel like I'm not gonna give up. I might just take the all night, you know?
Yeah. This is so I've done 20.
Damn!
Second 20.
I've done 11. Holy crap! That's so quick. Nom, nom. I think it's good to have fizzy drinks because it like helps. Like the gas in the fizzy drink like builds up with the gas in your stomach and then it all comes out as one burp.
I've got. Did you order a drink with yours?
Yeah, I got a fruit shoot.
A fruit shoot.
I thought I better be healthy.
Ah, my nugget. I don't know. I'm sort of starting to feel full.
Who would have thought Osie could feel full?
This is what it takes. An obscene amount of chicken nuggets. We're under 10 minutes still.
True. I'm not even finished my first 20 yet.
Oh. Oh. What if they put too many in my box?
Oh, they would never do that.
Spring rolls are good. Ooh. I think there'd be more filling than this, though.
30 spring rolls. Mm. 50's a lot.
It is a lot.
My God.
30 Big Macs. If only it was physically possible.
Sammy's back. Sammy, go away.
Oh no.
Oh God. Sammy, go downstairs. Go downstairs. Go on. Find your toys. He's gone. don't know how to open doors. Very annoying.
Oh no.
He just bashes into them really hard and they open. Yeah, I've done 20.
I've done 30.
Oh wow. Box number 2. Whew. Yeah, I'm feeling very full.
Oh my god, I could do it with gyoza pot stickers.
Oh yeah, they're like really light though, aren't they?
How are you doing, excess? Murphy? Is this another healthy meal? Yes.
Mm-hmm. Healthiest one of the week. What's the nugget count? This is 22, I think. 30 Christmas dinners.
Itsu frozen gyoza are really good. Okay, I've done 33.
Holy shit. Such a slow eater.
You managed fish finger challenge pretty in quick time. It was only a second slower than me.
Yeah, but I wonder if you could, I reckon if you did it again, you'd be like smashing that time. Because I actually had a time to beat whilst you just had to set a time.
This year, fatty liver training.
Thanks, Ash.
I'm more concerned about how unhealthy the sauces are.
True. What is in them?
At least this is just
sugar.
Yeah, at least this is just like protein, isn't it?
And bread. Imagine if Jamie Oliver could see us now.
Fuck you, Jamie. Fuck you. Alright, there's 5 left in this box.
You took my turkey twizzlers.
They're deep fried. Hell yeah. Can I get a hell yeah?
Oh, I'm struggling. Still tastes good though.
I do.
I'm still enjoying it. Just really full.
If only they were just fat and protein, because then they'd be keto. But unfortunately, they're covered in carbs.
You get breadless ones. Oh, that'd be terrible though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm at 28. I'm actually going to be about as fast as I was for Shingas.
Murphy, thank you so much for the subscription. Okay.
You could just peel the nuggets, yeah.
I'm at 38.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Get down there, nuggets. Okay. Alright, we're nearly on the last 10.
Oh my god, I can't believe you're doing it. Actual machine.
Anyway, this is good. I had a yogurt earlier for my breakfast.
I had a cheese string.
No, see?
I was trying to do keto. I was...
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Now look at this.
No, there is now. Timothy Paul, thank you for the subscription.
Apparently eating these nuggets is going to put us 4 times over our daily salt recommendation.
Okay.
Okay, how many's left? So many. So many.
I'm going to measure out my last 10. Alright, I've done 41.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 10. Okay.
Thanks, Silver Nug.
Timothy Paul, thank you so much for subscribing. I love it. This is what gets the people going. Overindulgence.
It pays for the nuggies.
Certainly does. Thank you.
It's nearly 20 quid worth of nug.
Yeah. That's how many I have to eat now. That's
Okay. That's very doable.
8 nuggets.
So you've had 42 nuggets. I've had 35. Wait, yeah. No. Hang on, yeah. 35.
This is 310% of your recommended daily allowance fat.
Oh. That's okay.
That's fine. Those are just recommendations.
Just guidelines.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I feel I'm hitting like a point, you know?
Yeah.
I'm hitting a point.
I'm hitting that early new.
I wonder how many pounds of food this is.
How many what?
How many pounds of food it is.
What is?
All this
Pounds of food.
Yeah, like how many, like weight-wise.
Weight.
Yeah.
I don't know. A lot. They were heavy. When I got the box, I was like, "Oh, this is a bit scary." It's all got to go in my belly.
Myth, you should definitely try this. It's only 810 grams. Bullshit.
Like, that's quite a lot. It's nearly a kilogram.
My parents will be here. 1.8 pounds. Thank you, Purple.
Oh.
I don't think I'm gonna get under 20 minutes. This is sad. 5 left.
Oh, I've got 12 left.
Get down there, food. Get down there.
Come on. Sit up straight. It might help. There.
Wacka, 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 wacka.
Wacka, 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 wacka. Okay, this is 39. Number 39. That box is done. Oh. 2 pounds of processed chicken sitting in your gut. Good luck. Oh,
No.
can't be that bad. It's just chicken.
What's getting me is like, I can't, like, it feels like I need to burp. But I must say,
That's what the fizzy drink will help you with, you see.
but I must say, I feel like this is easier than the fish fingers.
I do not feel that.
By this point of eating fish fingers, I actually felt, I'm not like really sick, but I kind of felt like, wow, I think I've had enough, you know.
Do you not feel that now?
No, they still taste really good. I think it's because these are like crack, aren't they?
Yeah, true.
I'll see you. Thank you so much for the 100 bits. The doctor told me watching the stream is 2,000% of my recommended allowance of grease.
Okay. This is what's left. 9 left. Oh my god. There's a lot. Nah.
Time to get ripped. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Counted out my last 10. Let's do it.
Three more.
Whoa! Oh, you smashed me, really.
Oh, fucking fat bitch.
Absolutely smashed me.
Mom. Oh no, I need some more Coke in my glass.
Oh shit.
Okay. I got a whole bottle.
Which sauce have you run out of yet?
None, I'll be honest.
None of them.
I'm actually like, I'm preferring them without.
Oh really?
A bit weird, yeah.
I've dipped every single one, I think. Did I get sweet and sour? Oh, I did. I did get one. Got sweet curry and sweet and sour.
Hannah.
Big on the sweet and sour.
Hello, Hannah. I'm genuinely impressed. I've been bleaching my hair during this. It's been perfect watching. That's amazing.
Oh god.
The final nugget.
Really? I'm so jealous. Still got 6 left. Oh, I'm struggling so much. Oh. 5 left.
Okay.
Help.
And time. Ah.
Nice. Under 25. How do you feel?
Oh. Satisfied.
Time for your cheeseburger.
Oh, I don't think I can. Maybe in a... I'd say maybe in a bit, but...
Finish the challenge.
Wow. Oh, well, there you go. I did it.
That was amazing. blown away.
Yeah, it's pretty. I wouldn't say that was that. When you get down to that last 5, that's like, oh, yeah. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for believing in me.
That last 5 is tough.
It is, isn't it?
It's tough.
Yeah.
Oh.
10 nugs and a burger save for later.
She's more nugget than girl.
I am. Given how petite I am, well, it's all stored in the legs. It's all. They just get shoved down to the legs. Oh god.
Oh, but we've got 3 left. Help. Poor.
You can do it. Hey Matt, how you doing? I'm like a cow. I've just got many stomachs. Oh god.
Got an like I don't know how you fit it inside you. You're tiny.
I'm sure it doesn't mean that like my stomach's not, distended and horribly stretched. as I said before, I think it's very unhealthy to eat that amount of food in a sitting. I'll say that. Binge eating isn't advised.
No, 2 left.
You can do it. You can do it.
I'm just trying to do it in 30 minutes. That's my goal.
To be fair, I'm honestly quite impressed that we have. Well, you've definitely got this. Come on, you can do it.
Turns by vomiting the next nugget and a half.
No, you won't. You got this. This is plenty of. Oh god, I tell you what though, I do feel the protein headache coming. I do feel it. There's definitely like.
Come on. I mean, if Rabs and Pet didn't even finish.
Yeah, no. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah, probably the trans fat. That's true. Probably is the fat, but never mind. It's okay. I'll have a very
Last nugget. Here we go.
Go go go! You can do it. We had fun, exactly, and I think that'll be the last eating challenge for a little while because I don't really want to do it as like a profession. So
come on, I'm hitting the wall.
Oh no, you can do it. You're on the last one. Come on.
It's like building up so much. It's like up my throat.
Professor Pants, the total number of nuggets I just ate was 50 in 24 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay. It's in my mouth.
Go, go, go.
Gone. 28 minutes 40.
Oh. Well done. We did it.